One neat thing you can do with Google Classroom is you can copy assignments that you have from different classes into another class. So as an example of this, I'm going to come to my August 11th Google Classroom class. I click on it, and I want to use an old assignment. So to do that, I come up to the top, and all the assignments are in classwork. Create, and right here it says reuse post. Once I hit reuse post, all my current classes are listed at the top, and then the old classes that I might have had last year, the year before, if I've archived them, they're also available down here. So I just simply tell it, yeah, I want to use an assignment from this old class, and I'm going to just share this math quiz with them. Come down to the bottom, and before I hit reuse, I can also check this box here to create new copies of all attachments if I want. But I'm just going to tell it to reuse. And now it pops up. Here's the math quiz. If I want to add anything new, any instructions or anything like that, I can. And then I just simply come up here and tell it to assign. Now when I come to my current class, there's my math quiz, and I'm good to go.